I've learned not to be what I can do. You know, pushing yourself in a situation you are not fit in. And then one thing, if you want something, then you need to invest time, effort, hard work, and determination to achieve that thing. So that's the new things I've learned from the experience.
Did the speaker inspire you in any way? How?
Absolutely yes. It boosts my self-esteem to strive harder and then giving the best as much as I can. So knowing myself that I am a little bit